Hello. Today we are going to do a very basic granny square. If you are new to crochet, this is a very easy project and it will give you excellent practice. All you need is just some yarn and a crochet hook. I'm going to use a 4mm one. I've got 3 different colors to use for every round here, and my 4mm square, my 4mm crochet hook. So let's begin. I'm gonna start with the yellow one, and I'm gonna do a slip knot. I'm gonna insert my crochet hook here, and then I'm gonna work 4 chains. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then I'm gonna slip stitch to the first chain to form a ring. So here we go. Now we've got a ring. And now to work our first round, I'm gonna do 5 chains. So I'm just grabbing the yarn, 1 chain, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and I'm gonna do a double crochet in the ring. So like this here. I'm gonna do 1 more double crochet here, and 1 last one. So I've got my 3 double crochet here. I'm gonna do 2 chains for my corner, and then I'm gonna do another cluster of 3 double crochet there. So 1, 2, 3, and I'm gonna chain 2, and then 3 more double crochet. There we go. Chain 2, and then I'm gonna do 2 double crochets here, because this will be used as my 3rd double crochet, or the very first one of this round. I'm gonna slip stitch on the 3rd chain here at the very top, and this is our first round completed. So now I've completed my first row, or my first round. I will just grab the yarn once and pull it through the loop, and then cut my yarn, just pull through and secure it this way, and then I'm just gonna hide it on in the back. So we are ready for round 2, and I'm gonna use this orangey color, and I'm gonna do a slip stitch in this space here. So all I'm gonna do, I'm grabbing my yarn, and I'm gonna insert my hook and just grab the yarn and pull it through, and then just chain 1, and that's going to be the first chain. That's how I join my colors. So I'm gonna do 5 chains here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I'm gonna do 3 double crochets in this space. So 1, 2, and 3. Then I'm gonna do 1 chain here, and then I'm gonna do 3 more double crochet here, 2 chains to form a new corner, and then I'm gonna do 3 more double crochet, 1 chain, and then I'm gonna do 3 more double crochet in this space. So 1, 2 chains, 3 more double crochet, 1 chain, then 3 more double crochet, 2 chains, and 3 more double crochet. One chain, and then I'm going to this first corner space, and I'm doing 2 double crochet, because we've got this one that we use as the our third double crochet, and then we are connecting, and that's it. Now we are ready for our third color, so I'm gonna yarn over once and just pull through, and then grab my scissors to cut the orange yarn and pull through tight, and then I'm gonna hide it in the back, the excess yarn. So now I'm grabbing this purple color, and I'm gonna join it in this corner space. I'm grabbing it, just pulling once, and I'm just grabbing more yarn and pulling it through the loop I created. So that's how I'm securing it on the granny square, and I'm just gonna chain 5 again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I'm gonna follow the same pattern. So I'm just gonna do 3 double crochets in the same corner space. So 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna chain 1, and then 3 double crochet in this space. 1, 2, 3, and then chain 1, 3 double crochets in this corner, And because this is a corner space, we will chain 2 and then do another 3 double crochet in the same space, and that's how we create our corner. And chain 1, and then in this space we will do 3 double crochet, then chain 1, and then 3 double crochet in this corner space, and what do we do in corner spaces? We chain twice, and then we do 3 more double crochet in the same space to create our corner. So here, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1, then this is another corner space, so we do 3 double crochet, oopsie daisy, that was wrong, that's okay. So we've got 3 double crochet, chain twice, and then we do 3 more double crochet, then chain 1, 3 double crochet. Oh, we've lost it, that's fine. So this is our first double crochet, we're just gonna do 2 more, then chain 1, and then here it's our first corner, so we are gonna do 2 double crochet, because we've got this chain that we've done as when we joined this purple color, so we are gonna join on the third chain at the top, and then I'm just gonna grab the yarn again and pull it through and cut it. And now if we flatten our work, we've got a very basic granny square. We can use some pins to make it a little bit bigger and just stretch it a bit, but yeah, we can create multiples of these in different colors as well and just join them together and make blankets, bags, cardigans, or whatever else you can think of. Sky is your limit. And that's it for today. Let me know if you've got any questions or any suggestions. I'm still learning myself, so thank you very much for watching. See you soon. Bye. Hope you find it useful.